we are going to learn to eat artichoke. Artichoke is one of the powerful vegetables in the world that has more antioxidants than any other vegetables. Most of the people like to eat artichoke's heart. They just think about the heart that I'm gonna show you how to eat later. But the benefits, really, the antioxidants and all the vitamin C and D are in the leaves. So we are gonna also eat the leaves once it's cooked. We are going to learn how to cut and prepare now, okay? Come with me. We are gonna wash it and then we're gonna clean it and put it to boil. All right, let's go. Welcome to Tete's kitchen. We are just washing like this, just barely, just to take the dust off from the store. We're gonna do all of them like this, okay? Once we washed, we are going to prepare and cut now the ends like this. And you know, another benefit of this artichoke is cancer prevention. You can increase bile flow. It's good for the liver. It cleans your liver. Also, reduce cholesterol. And it's high in fiber. So we are going to, in this vegetable, imagine guys, all these benefits, at least 8 benefits we mentioned here already. So it's very good for you. Let's try to eat. Let's try to learn how to eat these beautiful vegetables, okay? Here we are. We cut this. And I always like to cut just the tip a little bit sometimes. It helps the water to go through inside easily. So we cut this ends and just the tip. Look how beautiful. It's such a beautiful vegetable. And it's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Don't be afraid. A lot of people look at these vegetables in the supermarket and is intimidated by it. You know, like my friend once told me, I'm so intimidated by these vegetables. I don't know how to eat. So here we are. It's so easy. Okay, so here we are, 3 of them. Once we are doing this, we put water, half a water in the pot, and we're gonna bring it to boil, to cook. So here we are. So it's gonna be cooking for about 20 minutes or so. And the way we know when it's good is when we turn and the fork is gonna go through very easily. When it goes through smooth like this, then it is ready, okay? So let's let it boil now and we'll come back. In the meantime, we are preparing the 3 types of sauce that mostly and commonly is used to eat with the artichoke, okay? So this one is very easy. I just put ranch here. And this one is mayonnaise. Any type you want, vegan, regular mayonnaise, any type. I always put with the mayonnaise, I use 1/4 of a lime for 1 spoon of mayonnaise, just a few drops like this. And stir around like this to make a little bit more loose. And this is gonna taste really good with the mayonnaise. Any type you want. And the other one is kind of just olive oil with some lime. Also a little drops of lime. Don't have to put as much. Yes. Then we're gonna put a little bit of salt. just a dash like this. All right, and this one is sort of like the Italian. So you just put lime and olive oil and salt. That's all it takes. Here we are. We have the 3 dressings waiting for the artichoke. In a minute, we are going to bring them here and I'll teach you how to eat.
Hi, I am Carol. I fought breast cancer twice, when I was 29 and then when I turned 31. It was difficult, but made me stop to think about what really matters in life. First of all, my family, my daughter. My situation made me change my lifestyle and make it healthier. So I looked for a natural product, chemical-free, and I decided to use Nalani.
We lower the flame so it won't be boiling in our hands. We are going to turn. Let's get this thing here and help us. We turn this and put the fork all the way through. All the way through. If it goes easy, see? Went all the way through. It is done. It took about 25 to 30 minutes to cook 4 artichokes. This is the most wonderful and healthy vegetable you can have in your house for your guests and everything too. So here we are. Doesn't it look good? We are going to wait a few minutes until it cools. Then we can deal with it and eat. Yoo-hoo! We start peeling. The part we are going to eat is this part. We are going to dip this like that and there you go. Okay? Oh, it's delicious. So then you go all the way down, all the way to the end of it. In these leaves, guys, we have so many antioxidants. The powerful one is flavonoids. It's against breast cancer. Why not? Let's eat away! This part is called the choke. So you do not eat. And then you just scrape out of this, out of there. There you are. This is the heart of artichoke that most of the people know how to eat. That's the heart. So you can cut like this and dip in any of the sauce or eat fresh. Look. Delicious, the heart. But do not forget, all this meat here is yours to eat too. How you like that, guys? Enjoy. Celebrate life. God gave us all these nice, wonderful vegetables. Enjoy. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now we reach 100 subscribers. Thank you all. Thank you for believing in this, believing in the recipe. Thank you.